Welcome to another Sunday flying with, and I've been trying I've been enhancing and improving my toothpick, my 2S toothpick. As you can see, the TPU parts newly printed, and I've just tightened it all up a little bit, so the wobble is gone and it now really flies great. Also, I cannot see the jello that I had anymore with this. It's really cool. Of course, now it's also easier because it's not that sunny. If it's sunnier, then you rather have more jello. But the improvements that I made, just tightening the stack, everything made this much better. And I think this will be my go-to toothpick, as I prefer the 2S. It's not as crazy as the 3S toothpick. Of course, Lipo packs are very cheap. For 52S, basically, I think they cost maybe $8 or so. HV batteries, the GMB that I use, I highly recommend them because you get a lot of flight time, much more than with quite a lot more than with a non-HV battery. And enjoy the flights and have fun. Have a great Sunday. Bye bye. And if you like, please subscribe. If you enjoy the videos, thank you very much. Helps a lot. Bye bye.